Clapping is free.
I'm here to empower women like myself to know that you are everything you need in order to accomplish anything in life. We are each other's sisters. We are each other's keepers. And I'm here to announce that we are powerful together as long as we hold hand in hand with each other and become a legacy leader.
Today we had the privilege of sitting together as women, as sisters, to remind each other that we are in a web of indebtedness, that we are indebted to each other, that for the society to be better, for us to thrive, each and everyone must play their part, that we all will come together to make the ripple effect that then would lead into a better society. So we just sat here to remind ourselves of the value that is inside us, that we haven't tapped and that we must tap.
One thing I can advise my fellow youth is to always take up these spaces and present their issues to the people, because their voices matter and their cause is just. Our mentors are women who are equally trying to figure out in their own spaces. So mentorship has been the main challenge, but again, over time, we've seen active steps to ensuring that we are in a position of having a pool of women who support each other.